All right, we're going to look at this song called Open My Heart, recorded by Yolanda Adams many years ago. But it's a cool song and I like the way it sounds. So we're just going to learn the beginning. So just kind of out of the gate, we know it sounds like this.
Oh, talk to me.
All right, cool. So this first part, there's two chords that you have to know and recognize and obviously play. And we're going to start with our thumb on D flat. We're going to put our second finger on F, and then we're going to do D flat at the top. Now, this whole thing is a part of a D flat major chord. So that's the first one, right? In the left hand, he plays an F sharp, right? That's it. Now, if you play that, just kind of arpeggiate it, put on a metronome or a click track, and just play that, get that under your fingers. And then when that chord comes up, you'll immediately recognize it because you have not only listened to it, you've played it, you've sung it, you've internalized it. Whatever you internalize, you can utilize. So then the second one is this one. It's an A flat major chord, but when he plays it, he kind of takes the E flat out. So A flat, C, and A flat at the top. So two things here, right? Whenever you're playing this chord, you're going to play an F in the bass. F to A flat. This is an interval of a minor third. Interval means like the distance. So he's playing a major triad, which is A flat, with an F in the bass, right? And then when he does the D flat, he has a what? F sharp in the bass or G flat in the bass, which this triad here, which is D flat major, is a fifth above this note, the interval thing again, right? So that's how he starts the song. So we listen, we have the beginning says, that's the beginning with the F sharp in the bass. You see that? That's the same thing we just played, right? Now look what he does next. All right, this is the cool part. See that? He's going B flat, C, D flat. Right? And then,
Oh,
all right, cool. So this here is connected to this. This is just like a D flat chord, but they just have the A flat at the bottom and they added the E flat in there, right? And you walk down. And then then all right, that is the gist of this song. So I hope that was helpful and look forward to seeing you next time.